Welcome to the Walker Cabin on the Creek in Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Part 3. This old historic cabin is a step above camping, so if you're looking for bougie, this ain't it. This is one of the 2 small bathrooms upstairs along with the 5 bedrooms. Each bedroom has a different color-coded name. Well, this old lampshade has seen better days. Just like down in the living room, they have lots of children's books and games to play. Bedrooms either have a queen, double, or single beds, but no king beds. Behind the cabin runs the creek, which sounds so relaxing with the windows opened. To rent it, you must snail mail the owner a check, contact info, and cabin history at walkercabin.com. This is the second bathroom that's very small, too. This cabin is perfect for friends or family wanting to save money since it's only $250 per night. It's located 1 mile from downtown Gatlinburg with no steep, winding roads, and you can walk to downtown, too. There's the attached caretaker's cabin's roof. It borders the Great Smoky Mountains National Park on 2 sides. Behind this creek is the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail entrance. No, that's not an outhouse. It's a Swedish sauna, and a hiking path runs past it into the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. Join us in July for the Smoky's Nail Show, nailtechevent.com.